Hello and welcome everyone, this is Less Than a Minute. Today we have two confusing pronouns, I and me. Now what is the difference between I and me? The common difference is that I is for a subject, me is for an object. Let's try to understand that in a sentence. My friend Anne, empty space, are chasing the dog. The second sentence. The dog is chasing my friend Anne, empty space. So to answer those, the first one is I, the second one is me. Why? Now, look at the verb here, chasing, chasing. The first one, chasing here, who is doing that verb? My friend and I are chasing the dog, so we're doing that to the dog. Now the second one, chasing, who is doing the chasing part? That's the dog. The dog is chasing us, my friend and me. I hope it was useful. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day and stay safe.